Hey y'all, I'm getting back to my southern roots here. It is beautiful today and I have been super busy. I've had that grandbaby this week. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I like to keep it simple. I like to do super easy and quick, but I can get in there and cook with the best of them. Supper tonight, we're going to have what my mama always called Stromboli. So this is Mama's Stromboli recipe. The way my mama always made it, she put it on split rolls. I'm actually going to make some supper. If you're a carnivore, you are going to love this recipe. So I've already got started. I've got 1 pound of ground turkey and I scrambled it. You can do beef, but I do turkey, of course. If you've been following me, you know I'm allergic to pork and beef. And if you want to follow me over here to the stove, I'll show you what else we're going to do. Okay, so we're going to do about 1/4 cup of water, 1 pack of brown gravy mix. This one's actually the reduced sodium. Add that in. I've got my stovetop on medium heat. And you can see I'm a messy cook. And now we're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom. You're not going to leave this. All we're doing is getting it warm and mixing it up. Okay, so I thought you were following me back over here, and my fault, I didn't turn you on. But if you're following along with me, go ahead and get a cookie sheet, spray it down with Pam or olive oil. Go ahead and put those rolls on there, open them up, and you'll put your mixture in there. But make sure when you open them up, that you only open one side. You want to keep this side closed. Now, 1 pound of ground turkey actually makes 4 subs. So I went ahead and I put my mixture on there, but I'm gonna bring you over here and let you see what I'm doing. Go ahead and pinch them so that your mixture doesn't fall out. Take some white American cheese, fold it. So I put them in the oven on 350 and we're just gonna let them stay in the oven long enough to kind of toast the bread and melt the cheese, probably about 5 or 10 minutes. And voila, there they are. They are so good. You can even top these with sauteed onions and bell peppers. That's probably how my husband will want them, but I could just eat them this way. They are so good. I hope you guys have a great evening.